Hey, it's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2015 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn Edition in deep burn pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back. On both sides of this truck, there are chrome running boards, which makes it that much easier to get inside. Come to the front here, you'll have projector-style halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. You have your high beams right there, LED running lights, which are also the turn signals. You have that chrome crosshairs grille in the front, looks sharp, and there's a chrome bug deflector on the front of the hood. There's two big tow hooks on the front with two fog lamps. This does have two-toned colors, so you have the deeper burn pearl paint and a nice secondary paint there. Those dots on the front bumper are front ParkSense parking sensors. Come to the side here, this Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn Edition is running on 20-inch rims, unique to the Longhorn Edition. And the tires are Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. Chrome door handles on the outside on all four doors, and both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights. And underneath the mirrors, there are LED convenience lights that light up when you unlock this truck. They're very handy at nighttime. This does have the proximity key fob. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle like this. If you have the key fob in your pocket, the Ram will sense the fob is near and that'll unlock the doors for you. You can always press that button right there to lock up this Ram when you're done with it. Two-toned interior colors as well, very unique. Storage down below with two big cup holders. Storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm right here. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic, and this has power folding in mirrors. Press this button here. Looks great. Chrome door handles on the inside on all four doors too. Handle right here so you, the driver, can easily get inside this truck. Leather wrapped steering wheel with unique materials on top. This is a tilt steering wheel too. This has power adjustable pedals. You move the pedals closer or further away from your feet. This has automatic headlamps so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there. That button there will turn on the fog lights. Directional air vent which you can close and open. Unique mats to this truck as well. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support, and this has driver's seat presets. You can save up to 2 presets, and by the push of one of these buttons here, the seat will adjust to your preset settings. And this has leather seats throughout, Laramie Longhorn badges on the front seats and in the middle, adjustable headrest on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt heights you're most comfortable inside this truck. And there's a power sunroof up top there. Nice leather padding in the middle here for arms to rest on. Grab this chrome handle. There is a upper storage area here with a change holder, and there is a USB port, an auxiliary port, and an SD card port connected media right here. And there's another USB port which you can use to charge devices. If you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides so when you close your lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower. More storage space in here, and there is a CD player. Nice chrome touch here in the middle. Cell phone holder, 12-volt DC power outlet. Lots of space in the middle here for many different things. 2 big cup holders. Another little spot there for some things as well. And this does have an auto dimming rear view mirror and LED interior lighting. Let's go check out the back seat area. All right, storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, beautiful styling, power window switch. Convenience handle right here so your passengers can easily get inside this truck. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. There's directional air vents down here in the middle which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open these. Heated seats in the back too. Nice Ram badge. 12-volt DC power outlet. 2 big cup holders down here. There's a fold down armrest with 2 more cup holders. Adjustable headrest in the back seats too. The seats do flip up. And there's a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage. If you're not using them, you can easily fold them back like this, and there's storage space underneath here. And there's a clip so you can secure this like so. LED lights built in the bottom of the seats. They light up the feet area for you at nighttime so you can see where your feet are. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event and your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled, push the light here with your hand, it'll come on. Push it again, it'll shut off. You can use it as a reading lamp. And there's extra speakers up top connected to the Alpine Sound System. And there's insulated, removable in-floor storage areas. You put ice in here and keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. There are LED tail lamps on the back of this truck, dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them, nice badging. You got the Ram badge, 4x4 badge, and the Longhorn Edition badge. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram 1500. Backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right here. Open up the tailgate. There's hooks in all four corners so you tighten your load so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highway. And this does have spray and bed liner. And the box lights are just up there. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, including the tailgate. And those dots on the back bumper are rear ParkSense parking sensors. Let's go check out the other side. All right, storage down below, storage in the middle, power window switch, great style, looking good. Convenience handle on this side as well. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat, insulated, removable, in-floor storage area. This side also flips up here, the LED light there. Fold out gate, and you put things underneath or on top of that gate. Cutouts for the cup holders, which I think is a clever touch. Fold this back if you're not using it. Underneath here is a subwoofer connected to the Alpine Sound System, and this folds down just like so. And you have Longhorn badges on the back seats as well. If you have the key fob on you in your pocket, you can put your hand around the passenger door handle as well to unlock this truck. You always press that button there to lock up the Ram when you're done with it. Storage down below with two cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch. Absolutely beautiful. Passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support as well. And underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. There's airbags built into the front seats for safety. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Lots of safety built into this Ram truck. And there's a lower glove box here with a manual. Upper glove box here with a convenience light. Nice Longhorn badge right there. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. Directional air vent, which you can close and open. Handle right here for your front passengers so they can easily get inside. And there's a pocket on the side of the middle console right there. And there's also a pocket like that on the driver's side too. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. This is the proximity key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice big Ram badge on the back. This also has remote start. All you gotta do is hit this button twice. The doors will lock and the truck will start right up. Boom, just like that. Then you can put your hand around either the driver or passenger side door handles to get inside, to unlock the truck, or you can just hit this button right here. You keep this key fob in your pocket, or you put it down below here in the storage area. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the side here and press the push button, start button, and that'll get you past the remote start system. Check out the gauges. They are unique to the Laramie Longhorn Edition, and I think it looks really nice. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel here, we can go through the driver information center screen. But first, this truck has 78,320 kilometers on it, which is not too bad. So definitely come take this thing for a test drive soon. So yes, you do have tire pressures for all four tires. You have your transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to your tire pressures all there in the vehicle info area. Fuel economy page lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button here and you can easily reset that. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and time you're driving for. Hold this button here. You can reset one or both of those. Trailer tow area lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case this truck wants to tell you something. Screen set up here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. So yeah, you can customize the screen and have lots of information on it that you want to say. Digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States, and back to your vehicle info area. And if you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know which door on the truck is opened. Nice big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons right there. And behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. This does have voice recognition. Cancel. Using your voice, you can tell the GPS navigation to find a certain point of interest, which I think is really cool. And if a call comes through Bluetooth, you can answer the call just by pressing that button right there. Rotary style gear shifter is very out of the way and easy to use. And if I throw this truck into reverse, the backup camera shows up on the touchscreen system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. And on the screen here, this shows up your front and rear ParkSense parking sensors. So if you get close to an object front or behind you, it'll show you on the screen here how close you're getting to the object, and you'll also be hearing audible beeps. And the closer you get to an object, those louder and faster those beeps will get. ParkSense parking sensors are great to have. Push button 4-wheel drive down here, and this does have 4WD auto. Trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode. You turn off the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors just like that. Easily turn them back on. And you have heated and ventilated seats in this truck, and a heated steering wheel. These are the physical controls for those. 115 volt AC power outlet right there. Another great spot for some pens or packs of gum. Physical controls for the climate. Dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows this truck to adjust your climate control for you. Driver's temperature, passenger temperature, air conditioning, recirculate button, front defrost, rear window defroster. You can adjust your fan speed just by using this knob right here. Tuning knob, browse button for your media here. Back button help you guide through your system. Hazards, you turn the screen off here if you don't want to look at it. Touch it with your finger, it comes back on. Great sound quality through the Alpine Sound System. Oh yeah. I hope you can see yourself driving down the highway, just bumping to all your favorite tunes in this truck. 'Cause I sure can. So you turn that down just like that, or you can press the mute button. There's directional air vents right here, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open those. A nice Ram badge there, a little spot for some things. You got wood styling touch up here and on the front. Beautiful stitching on the dashboard. Up here, of course, you have your reading lamps, your switch for your rear sliding window, and buttons for the power sunroof. Just hit the button once and the power sunroof will open up right before your eyes. It lets in lots of fresh air and sunlight when it's sunny outside. And there's fold down sun visors here with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights. These are breakaway and they do slide out. Same with the drivers. Tons of visibility out the front window, and there's also a programmable garage door opener right there. And here is the touchscreen UConnect system. This has AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. Access to a mini map, connected GPS navigation right there. You can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. Adjust your audio. You have your balance fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound mode, auxiliary volume offset. Hold one of these boxes up here with your finger. You can easily set a preset. Info bar up top here tells you what the temperature is set at for both dual climate control. Tells you the time, outside temperature. You have a compass there too. Tells you the song and the artist in the middle of the screen. Go media here. If you have something in the CD player, something connected to USB or auxiliary Bluetooth device connected or something SD card port, go here. You can listen to music through those areas. Touchscreen controls for the driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats. Heated steering wheel. You have your mirror dimmer there too, and settings. Touchscreen climate control. Easily adjust where you want the air to go. You can unsync and sync the temperature. Set the temperature with just your finger right here. This adjusts your fan speed. GPS navigation. View the map, gives you a great view of where you are. You can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. Go menu, go where to, put an address, search up points of interest, and more. Bluetooth area here, pair more than one device, make hands-free calls. Everything you're doing from a call, you hands-free on the touchscreen UConnect system here. Settings here for the touchscreen UConnect system and this Ram 1500, so you customize this truck and have it the way that you want it to be. It's the 2015 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn Edition in deep burn pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back, and this also has a engine block heater, which is fantastic to have in the wintertime. You keep this truck nice and warm in the wintertime. This truck is luxurious and has unique colors inside and out. Come on down to Crosstown and see if this truck is going to be yours. It's waiting for you. I'm your man, David, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.